Guadalupe. Barrio Guadalupe. Could check out some murals. Walk along the river path. Tuk-tuk patrol. Oh, that's a big fluffy dog. Aw, hi guys. You sharing the window? This is an interesting mural. Pretty cool. Cielito lindo. This is where the main murals are. We're walking through Guadalupe, along the river, and to parts of San Rafael. There's a lot of nice neighborhood, getting pretty popular. And if you're ever confused on what neighborhood you're in San Miguel, they have it, the street name, also the colonia Guadalupe. Pretty useful. I like it. It's a pretty famous artist here. Pretty creative using vines. Got some Day of the Dead influence. Marigolds. The Xolo breed of dog to guide you to the afterlife. You get the year painted on them when they were done. And sometimes their Instagram handle or social handle. This is probably the biggest amount of murals in one line in this neighborhood. And others are scattered about. This one is done only by spray cans, paint cans. That's pretty incredible. You got some dogs milling about. May have an owner, may not. They eventually make it back if they have a home. Grasshopper, Chapoline. This one's pretty cool. A little anime inspired. Xolo. Lucha Libre. El Puente, the bridge. So we're coming up on a bridge. Well, this seems interesting because it's done on metal, like a big metal door. Fascinating, really well done. We've got two ways we could go. Down that way, kind of towards west of town, or that way, which is where we were going to go. That way is east. That way is east, up to east of town, kind of by Fabrica Aurora, and then you can climb those hills, super steep towards the Mirador, and above that is Lucierna, and south, which is west, which is where we're going to go, is more towards San Rafael neighborhood. It's got a few more murals here. The Palestine one, and it looks like soldiers. It's Guadalupe. Whenever you see this, I'm told it was once a rough neighborhood, and they have these to say keep the peace. Pretty cool cacti murals. A little dog. Alright, let's make our way down across the river. We've got hummingbirds, colibri. I'll look it up later, but they're important in Mexican culture. Colibris. This is a nice morning walk. Pretty overcast today, which is very welcome for a walk. Sometimes it's very sunny, so you gotta bring a hat, bring an umbrella. But now, perfect weather. We'll walk along this riverbed. There's a few cool murals. It's kind of cute. This I really like. It's kind of 3D, mosaic-y. It's a colibri, but it's really well done. Some raised concrete and then a mosaic. Take a whole shot of it. And then give some credit where credit's due. Artista de Mosaico, Juan Eduardo Rios Mancilla. It's the leader. And patrocinadores. Let's continue on. Got another big mural here. Good job. Streets. Buenos días. Hola, buenos días. Oh no. Huh? It's pretty sweet. You've got opposites here on one side. Death, decay, on the other, life, rebirth. In the middle is time. Another mosaic. One here too. Ya llegó el borracho. I have arrived, the drunk. Juan RM. This continues on this side. Such a cool mosaic. Got jaguars and a sacrifice. Wow. This as well. Some cholos looking. And Dia de Muerto-esque. Salazar. It's pretty cool. I love how the attention to detail is with the yellow, kind of a ghost-like image. It's very cool. This was the path we came down. This little bridge, and this bridge will cross us to San Rafael. Was it the same bridge? Either way. Sorry, buddy. Spooked you. Might be. Entonces. There might have been another. Let's continue down this road. Hey, pal. Hola, buenos días.
Buenos días.
Ah, la policía. What are they doing? Let's see.